Hi, my name's Tom. I'm setting up some Christmas lights today. I picked up this LED snowflake light lamp projector from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and show you what you get, and then I'm going to set it up, and then we'll go ahead and see what it looks like when the sun goes down and it gets dark. So first things first, you do get a projector. Yes, the projector looks like an owl. It's got a whole bunch of little prisms in there, so it'll show the lights through here. It's snowflakes, and it comes out through the owl's eyes. That's kind of neat looking. You will also go ahead and get like a little bracket with little screws. I'm going to screw that onto the bottom, and then you'll actually get a little base the whole thing kind of screws onto, and then you can kind of angle it and do things. Now, nice thing about this base is if you're going to put this on a deck or on a block of wood or something, you can just go ahead and put the projector on and screw holes in and just kind of mount it to a flat spot. Or if you want to mount it in the ground, this little thing will go ahead and fit on the bottom of your projector and allow you to kind of stick it into the grass as well. So you have an option of either flat or grass mounting, and that's nice. And then you do have a little remote control, little tiny remote control. Make sure to make the remote control work. You want to pull the little plastic thing out that kind of lets the battery touch the contacts in there. So now that will go ahead and work to turn your lights on and off. Real quick, you need to mount this little piece onto the bottom of the owl's head right here. Just kind of put it on just like that, and you need to use two little screws. It does give you the screws, but it does not give you a screwdriver, so you're going to need a little tiny Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and mount these two tiny screws onto the base. It's pretty straightforward. It's not difficult. I just kind of do that. I'm going to drop the screw in there, and then I'm going to tighten it. Okay, now I have the little bracket screwed on, and now I can loosen this, and I can kind of change the angle. Again, I'm going to put mine in the grass, so I'm going to just go ahead and screw the stake into it just like that. If you want the flat platform, that's fine. You would screw that in. And I'm just going to shove this into the grass and kind of change my angle to whatever I need. And then I'm going to go ahead, and once the angle's right and I have everything set up, I'm going to go ahead and turn this little screw to tighten it, and it'll actually tighten into whatever angle I want. I'm going to kind of guess that's what it is for the moment. And there we go. And now I'm ready to tighten it. And again, it does look like an owl, and that's kind of cool. So here you can see the snowflakes. They are rotating right now. There's 3 speeds. This is the fastest speed. You can go a little slower or you can stop. You can see the whole house is kind of covered in snow. So there we go. Looks pretty cool. Everything's made out of plastic, so I'm not sure how long it'll last, but I think it'll last a while at least. If I got a couple seasons out of it, that's good. And this is all, again, snow themed, so it looks good.